Good day everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Your girl don come again with another amebo to give una. I know say na my work be that. I no fit tire to dey give una different kind of amebo and aproko. So my people, the thing wey I come tell una today na 4 people wey die as custom officers and smugglers. They get one kind clash for Oyo State. So my people, I know say una ready to hear this story wey I wan give una so. Wetin we hear from my information be say e get 4 people wey die for Isheyi. Isheyi na one town wey dey for Oyo State. They say 4 people died there as a result of gunshots wey some kind custom officers and some smugglers dey get. These smugglers we also sabi them as firewall people. I know say plenty of una know firewall people. Yes, na them I dey try tell una about. They say this thing happen on Thursday when Salah people dey observe their celebration. Say they still dey do their celebration when they begin dey get this clash. So these firewall people, when their goods wey they don smuggle don dey come outside for border, na custom people come open fire. Na they come dey shoot for head. I said as they begin dey shoot, na be as if the bullet just touch some kind innocent people. My dear men, I see this video. And I don't see the video, and I don't see the people where they involved. How these people go just done their own. Bullets go just come, they touch innocent people where we say they no do anything. While I know they finish, oh trouble, no they finish for this Nigeria. Be as if the level where they for this Nigeria now. Who next? Now be the slogan. Who next to die? Who nobody know who go die next. So you go wear clothes, come off house. You think say you'll come back. You don't know whether you go come back or you know come back. Every day we need to give our life to Christ. They ready like this. You don't know whether now you go die like far away if they walk out they go. They say from the information what we get, so we say as these people don't they get their small challenges, whether they know fee settle the custom officers well, or maybe they don't do one kind thing. But I know say for them to they open fire like that, maybe they know pay money where they supposed to pay well, or they no do one kind thing. Say they do one kind illegal smuggling, something like that. And so they talk and but now the firewall people as they don't they bring out the container, they come outside. They don't bring out their things from border, they come. Now they begin they get problem. They no settle their matter well. As they don't they shoot the gun, the thing can't touch some innocent children where they on their own. So now the matter where they grand oh they settle like this. So we don't know what thing will happen next. Whether those people now they go even tell their parents sorry for waiting happen. No men I take this one manage or you know say for Nigeria everybody get rights. Even the people where they in power, if they kill you to away, they see you, they see and say they don't do one kind thing. Nobody they go answer questions. No, they even sue them go court again. Now the thing where they tire me so. Before that time, they hear say if this person died, they go carry money, go meet this family, compensate them. People where they celebrate their Salah. So I hope say no be Muslims families this thing affect too. Because if now people where they celebrate their Salah, all these things affect. I just they sorry for them. Oh men, I take heart. We go learn to they very careful in everything what they do or where would they go. Even these people now, maybe they feel they shoot the gun now, they won't go know what thing they happen. As they go now, the thing don't come touch them now, so they don't die through away now. So now when they see some kind of movement, when that they try no high now, go they put in a leg, they walk out, they go some kind places. Men are try to they be in the right place at the right time. So that some kind thing no go they happen. The death rate now for Nigeria, it don't plenty. E just dey too much. In fact, to me, e be as if e no dey ordinary again. I don't know wetin dey happen. This country e don tire all of us. I know say e tire una, e don tire me too. I be as if one night man wake up, make e be say they tell me say they don born me for another country, no be for me I even follow come. But wetin we go do? We go still dey proud of our fatherland. We hope say one day things go better. Custom officers, men, I know they shoot anyhow. Oh, make na learn how to dey use na bullets well. If na one test na gun, men na first use na body test the gun. If you shoot yourself finish, you go know whether you go dey alive to carry gun shoot another person. Thank you very much. Oh, we don come do this aproko giving us so. I hope say una don like, una don comment, una don share this video so make una stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.